Okay, this place is closer to downtown Austin by a good margin. Let's see, this is living room, kitchen. Closet. Yard. Closet. Nice bathroom. High ceiling room. Bedroom. Not bad. Bedroom. Normal bathroom in here. Look at that. That's me. We have some closets over here. Washer and dryer, nice. They actually include it with the rental. And then there's this. The vents are taped up in this room. And the floor has a bunch of random construction-y looking shit on it. So that's called the it's not done yet, so I'm asking for a major fucking discount on whatever they're asking for. I forget if this one was $2,600 or $3,000, but yeah. Nice try. I gotta figure out what that's about. This one's made closer in the running. I like the idea of the 5 bed. There was a 4-bedroom place, and that could fit more people, and it also had more space for the same price. However, that is like a 40-minute commute. And this place over here is closer to a like 10-minute commute. But more importantly, you're actually within distance where you could use a scooter or something to get to the downtown area. So if you don't have a car, you could use a scooter to get to the downtown area. Whereas the other one, like everybody would have to have a car. And that kind of gives the people that don't have a car, that are going to be moving here, less freedom. And if the entire point is to allow people to temporarily adjust and have a place to crash before they find their own place, it almost kind of makes sense to have a place that's more easily accessible to them than it does to have a place that's just large enough to fit everybody, because the long-term plan is to not have everybody who works here live in the same apartment. It's to have everybody here sustainably living with their own arrangements. So, you know, this'll, and there's no way in hell I'm paying for a 5 or 6-bedroom place in the downtown area because, I don't know, I ain't that rich. But there's this one, and then there's going to be one more after it that I'm going to take a look at. Rosewood Avenue. Steve's going to love that one. Rosewood Avenue for the data recovery guy. Get it? Get it? If you get it, you might just be somebody that has a PC 3000.